So the other week I did a video regarding a risk reward box for MT5. Today it's all about the risk reward box for MT4. Quite simply, you need to download the file from my website. Here is the download from oldmanwisdom.co.uk. You can go here and you can review the video, and of course you can download the indicator from the website. Once you've downloaded it, you can put it into the open data folder, and then you go to the MQL4 folder and you put it in the indicators folder. Once you've done that, you can refresh the navigator screen and it will come up with the risk reward box for MT4, and you quite simply drag it over to the currency pair that you're trading. You need to click allow DLL imports, and then in the input box you have this email ID. The email you put in here is the one that you use to log in to oldmanwisdom.co.uk. So once you've put your email address in here, then you can just click OK and the box will become available. Remember to click this allow DLL imports. Once you've done that, this is what the box looks like. Obviously, if you're going to buy the market, you can adjust this to how and where you want it. It does have the risk reward ratio here, so as you drag it down you notice that the risk reward is set to 2. If you wanted the risk reward to be 3-1, then of course that's how you can set it, and you can swap it the other way around, so you can drag it this way. Here's your risk, and your reward can be set to whichever you would prefer. You can toggle the box. You can toggle the box on and off, and you can reset the box here. And this little box here tells you the currency pair you're trading, what time scale you're trading on. In this case it's the H1, the spread, and the candle time left remaining before the new candle decides to paint. Of course you can move this box around as well and set it to whichever place suits you. You can move it down here if you like, and it's a very nice indicator. It's very smooth. It's much better than the free risk reward box that's available on my website. This one here is a lot smoother, and obviously it's been designed so that you can benefit your trading having a visual display on the screen. So if you would like this indicator, then just go along to oldmanwisdom.co.uk, register if you haven't already, and then of course you can download the indicator. If you like the content, please remember to subscribe to this channel and give the video a like or a thumbs up, and even comment if you feel that I can make the indicator better. Then I'll certainly do that for you. Until the next time, I'll see you soon.